Hey guys, so back with another video here. Today we are going to be looking at the PC that I am in the process of obtaining money for. Probably going to be a while until I do get it, but it's nice to have a plan. So we're going to be going through each component of the PC. The total is $656.42. That is not including Windows 8, a hard drive or an SSD, or a monitor, because I already have those things. So let's start with the processor, the CPU. I have an Intel Core i5 4960K. So if I do want to overclock later, I can. So next we have the ASRock Z97M Pro 4 Micro ATX motherboard. It has good reviews on Newegg and stuff like that. It has good reviews on here. I think it'll suit our needs. It has, all the basics, and it has the right socket for the CPU. So yeah, that's RAM. We're using Crucial Ballistix Sport 8GB, 2 4GB sticks. It is just DDR3, so nothing too special, just cheap, $55 RAM. For the graphics card, I chose the EVGA GeForce GTX 960. It's only the 2GB version, because the 4GB or 3GB, whatever it is, it's a little bit too expensive for me right now, but I might upgrade later, a year or two. I don't plan on playing like the super demanding games like Shadows and Mordor and stuff like that. I'm just playing, the games that everyone plays, like Battlefield. For the case, we went with the Thermaltake, that ATX mid-tower case. I know I have a micro ATX motherboard, but this case, it works. It's obviously gonna work, and it's pretty cheap. And it has, LED fan, a small little window there. I'm not really sure why it's so small, but yeah, it's not a bad looking case for the price. For the power supply, well, it's a great picture. So that's exactly what it's gonna look like when you get it. It's a Rosewill 550 watt 80+ gold certified ATX power supply. It's pretty cheap. It's only $40. And last in the build, I have two of these Cooler Master SickleFlow 120mm fans with the red LED and the black frame, I guess. And yeah, so that's my whole build. Comes out to a grand total, like I said, $656.42. So yeah, it's not too bad at all for a pretty, it's a budget gaming PC, but it'll definitely do what I want it to do. And I've gone through this so many times and changed it that, it's nowhere near what it was when I first started making it. And the prices on these are always changing. Like, tomorrow it might be $20 more expensive, it might be $30 cheaper, you never know with the PC parts. So it all varies. So if you're watching this a couple months after I posted it, the price will most likely be different than what it is now. Hopefully for the better. Hopefully it's not more expensive, but it might be, and that'll be unfortunate. But yeah. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to my voice as I go through all these parts. If you have any questions or any comments, like anything I should change or anything I should downgrade or upgrade, it's still keeping the same price point though, around $650, because I would prefer not to go over $700, just because that's it's a little bit too much for me. Even $650 is still, it might not seem that much for some people for a gaming PC, but for me, being 14 with no job to make money, it's a lot for me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, leave comments, obviously, on like what I should change, what I should keep, if it's good, what's maybe too much. what's too little, you know, what I should add, what I should keep, whatever, stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.